what is the Metaverse? First things first, what even is the Metaverse? Think of it as a 3D version of the internet, where you don't just browse, you exist. It's a shared virtual world where people work, play, shop, attend events, all through avatars. Big tech giants like Meta, Apple, Microsoft, and countless startups are investing billions into building this virtual universe. And that means opportunities for investors are exploding. In 2025, the Metaverse market is projected to exceed $500 billion and could hit trillions by 2030. Real estate, gaming, fashion, art, education, all are becoming digitized. Early investors are already seeing massive returns. Remember when people laughed at buying land in games like Decentraland or the Sandbox? Some of those plots are now worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. But it's not just about hype, it's about understanding the tech and getting in smartly. Here are 5 beginner-friendly ways to start investing in the Metaverse. 1. Buy Metaverse stocks. Invest in companies building the Metaverse, like Meta, Facebook, Nvidia, Unity, Microsoft, and Roblox. These stocks are available on traditional exchanges and are a safer starting point. 2. Buy virtual land. Platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox allow you to buy, sell, and rent virtual land as NFTs. You'll need a crypto wallet and some Ethereum to get started. 3. Invest in Metaverse tokens. Each virtual world has its own token: Mana for Decentraland, Sand for Sandbox, Access for Axie Infinity. You can buy these tokens on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. 4. Purchase NFTs. Virtual art, avatars, skins, and real estate. NFTs are the digital assets powering the Metaverse economy. They can be speculative, so research before you dive in. 5. ETFs and index funds. Want to avoid the hassle of picking? Look for Metaverse-focused ETFs, like Round Hill Bull Metaverse ETF, META. They give you broad exposure. Risks you should know. Now, let's be real. The Metaverse is exciting, but it's also risky. High volatility, crypto and digital assets can swing wildly in value. Tech uncertainty. The Metaverse is still evolving. Not all projects will survive. Security risks. Wallet hacks and scams are common in the NFT and crypto world. Regulation. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate virtual economies. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and always do your own research. How to get started, step by step. Ready to take your first step? Here's a quick roadmap. Learn the basics, watch videos, read blogs, follow creators who talk about the Metaverse. Set up a crypto wallet. MetaMask is a good place to start. Buy some Ethereum, needed for most Metaverse platforms. Pick your platform, explore Decentraland, the Sandbox, or even VR Chat. Start small, buy a small token or NFT just to get the feel of it. No need to jump in big, start slow and smart. The Metaverse is more than hype. It's a whole new digital economy, and like every major tech wave, the early movers often win big. But remember, knowledge is your real investment. So, are you ready to step into the Metaverse? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more future-focused investing guides. Drop a comment. Would you invest in the Metaverse? Or are you still skeptical?